Spectrum.
Good Saturday morning, everyone. Hopefully you've got all that winter gear dusted off because you are going to need it here over the next 4 to 6 days. A major Arctic invasion has its sights set on the lower 48, and we are not immune to that here in the tri-state area with just absolutely brutal temperatures. In fact, we're going to take our high today and basically cut it in half for tomorrow. That is how much this Arctic invasion means business. And you can see today, as I said, really you're going to want to enjoy this quote-unquote warm air because it will be very, very cold. Today, temperatures 20s and 30s with some snow flurries flying around, but for the most part, we should be dry. Could even get some peaks of sunshine in here this afternoon, but as that Arctic front makes its passage, it could touch off some more light snow and snow shower activity, little if any in the way of accumulation. But notice here, the morning hours of Sunday, temperatures in the teens, single digits, and then a second storm system will roll through here Sunday night and into the Dr. King holiday on Monday, bringing us another round of the potential for some accumulating snowfall. But we think the highest totals should stay well to our east, maybe in and around Bowling Green, an inch or two, but I think we should be okay. But you're going to want to keep checking back. We're tweaking our snowfall maps. The winds, though, everybody impacted by the very strong blustery conditions today, as we'll see those very strong winds on the order of 20 to 30 miles an hour. It's going to take until Sunday evening, I think, for a lot of the winds to finally start to die down, which is why we'll be dealing with those brutal and dangerous wind chills. Not so bad this afternoon and this evening, but notice as we get into tonight and tomorrow morning, just absolutely dangerous to be outside. Below zero up to 20 degrees below zero, which is why along the Ohio River we do have a wind chill advisory through noon on Sunday that goes into effect at midnight tonight. Please limit your time outdoors if you have to be outside. We'll see temperatures mid to upper 30s today, and then tonight, those brutal temperatures, single digits to near zero. As you get closer to the Tennessee line, slightly milder with those temperatures only in the lower teens. And then, as we look at the extended forecast, it stays very cold as we get into the early part of the week. It's going to take until Thursday before we warm up slightly, before a secondary shot of Arctic air should make its way back into the area just in time for next